Sure. If you have been creating content but not making any money from it yet, this video is for you. Sure. The problem is not your content. The problem is there is nowhere for your content to send people. Sure. Today, I am showing you the simple funnel path I would build to start turning content into cash without showing your face, without a big audience, and without a complicated setup. Sure. A funnel is just a path. It takes someone from watching your content to actually buying something from you. That is it. And the simple version has 4 steps. Sure. Step one is your content, a YouTube video, a short, a post, something that attracts the right person and gives them a quick win. Your content is the door, it gets people in. Sure. Step two is your free offer. This is where most people skip, and it is why they are not building an email list. You need something free and valuable to give people after they watch your content. Sure. A PDF guide, a checklist, a simple resource. Sure. Something they can grab right now. Sure. This is what captures the lead, my love. Without it, you are just getting views and nothing else. Sure. Step three is your email list. When someone grabs your free offer, they go onto your list. Now you can talk to them directly. You are not depending on an algorithm anymore. Sure. You own that connection. Sure. Send them value, build trust, let them get to know you and what you offer. Sure. Step four is your paid offer, a digital product, a template pack, a mini course, a community. Sure. Something that solves the next problem for the person who just got a win from your free offer. Sure. You do not need a huge audience for this to work. You need the right people moving through the right path. Sure. So the whole thing looks like this: content attracts them, free offer captures them, email builds trust, paid offer converts them. Right. That is the funnel. Simple, doable, and you can build it without ever showing your face. Sure. If you want a starting point, grab my free digital freedom blueprint in the description. It walks you through exactly how to set this up from zero. Sure. And if you want to build this step by step with support every week, come join us inside Faceless Freedom Society. The link is below. Sure. Next week, I am sharing something that is going to change how you think about your whole online business. You do not want to miss it.